Hotep. I am the Amen Osiris, the one and only undisputed God of law. We are Deception Stoppers, America's only 4D education service. I am not a lawyer. This is not a law firm. We do not advocate that you don't support your human offspring. We simply advocate that you made them in private and take care of them privately. I am the 4D destroyer, and if you study hard enough, you too bear the same name. Okay? And today, I'm going to teach you about these 4D services. Alright, so 4D services were ordered by a 45 CFR 75.2 contractor performing a 45 CFR 302.34 contractual obligation under 45 CFR 303.107 terms in return for payment from the federal 4D franchise operating the state as a child support enforcement agency. Okay. What does this mean? What this means is, as a contractor who you thought was a judge, there was no judicial authority, because number one, the Child Support Enforcement Agency, which is a 4D franchise operating in the state, okay, that service was performed under a contractual obligation, not under the constitutional obligation, alright? So that means that the 4D services were ordered and there was no judicial authority, the power and authority appertaining to the office of a judge, jurisdiction, the official right to hear and determine questions in controversy. Okay? What this means is there was no judicial officer. The term in the popular sense applies generally to an officer of the court. Okay? But in the strictly legal sense applies only to an officer who determines causes between parties or renders a decision in a judiciary capacity. Okay? What this means is there was no judicial order, okay? One which involves exercise of a judicial discretion and affects final results of litigation. What this means is there was no judicial proceeding, a general term of proceedings relating to practice in or proceeding from a court of justice, or the course prescribed to be taken in various cases for the determination of a controversy or for legal redress or release. Okay, as I've already taught you, in Title 4D, the federal 4D franchise is operating in the state. It is overseen by the Federal Office of Child Support Enforcement. Okay, these 75.2 contractors are not judges. I don't care if they wear that black dress. I don't care if you walk into a building that looks like a court. It's not a court. Okay, they're performing under 302 of 34 contractual obligation. Their obligation is to the oath of the Constitution, not to Title 4D, which was never enacted by law. Okay, and they're under 303.107 terms. Okay, which means they must apply. They must go whatever the feds say they got to do. They got to do that. I've already taught you that the United States is a form of corporation in respect to the state. Corpus Juris Secundum subsection 86. Alright, so therefore, no judicial authority, there was no judicial officer, there is no judicial order, and there was no judicial proceeding, which means you are not subject to a court order for Title 4D services. I'm the Amen Osiris. If you need help, bang my email, 4D_destroyer. If you need materials, training materials, go to my website, www.4ddestroyer.com. Hit the resource library, and you can download everything you need. Okay? It's time to get your study on, folks. It's time to get your study on. Alright? You want to be free? Then you better learn their language. Hotep.